Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show to you guys how to empty Samsung's gallery recycle bin. It's a very easy and simple process, and it only works in Samsung. Sometimes it works in Android also, but it only works in Samsung. But let's get started. First of all, just open your gallery. My device is not Samsung, it's Xiaomi, but it's Android, and the procedure are same. If you are using a Samsung device, just let me show you. Just press three pictures and press on delete. But what it does is it doesn't delete, it transfer these three pictures to the recycle bin. If you're using a Samsung device, just tap on three dot, and over here a trash option will be shown, or a recycle bin. But if there is no option, then just go to the albums and then scroll down. As you can see over here, it's written trash bin. Just tap on it and select these three, and then just tap on delete. So these three pictures are permanently deleted from your gallery as well as from your recycle bin. So this is the process how to empty Samsung's gallery recycle bin.